Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C75 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar. We have to open the settings, so tap on the three bars icon. Here we've got the bar with the timer. We've got three options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the specific option you'd like to use. As you can see, it will be immediately notified in the shutter button, so let's simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn it off the same way. Simply tap on this three bars icon and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.